All right. We're going to try this again. Okay. Going to try this again. So, everybody else want to do their recaps. I'm going to do my recap. But we're going to try this again. I don't know how people are able to do recaps and I'm not. Okay. But let's try it. So, I'm going to talk about the show. Okay. And I'm just going to say the names and maybe that'll help because I don't understand what the problem is. So, when we talk about Jackie and Chantel, Chantel as a child was way out of line. Yes, Jackie may have done a lot of things in life to cause her daughter not to like her. But at the end of the day, I feel like if you have a parent like that, just separate yourself from that parent. But to be absolutely like disrespectful and cursing her out and talking to her the way she was talking to her, absolutely not. Like, who would allow that? She was out of pocket. There was a better way for her to talk to her mother um without how she was doing it. Now, nobody's talking about the fact that Chantel, and I was trying to show it, but YT keeps Chantel watched the video, pushed her mother before her mother ever even hit her. She pushed her before she ever even touched her. Okay. So everybody's coming down on Jackie, but nobody's talking about Chantel didn't stay in a child's place at all. I don't even know why Jackie let Chantel on the show because they've always had a tainted history. But honestly, it seems like when the show started, they were in a good place. Like if you look at the first two episodes of the show, they were in a good place. And then all of a sudden it started going left. Okay. So I just feel like she shouldn't have been on there in the first place. But also at the same time, I commend Jackie because if you look at every single episode, every time things start to get hot, Jackie gets up and walks away. She gets up and tries to walk away. She gets up and tries to deflect from the problem. So I have to commend her on that. Like, I mean, come on, y'all. Like, people are not giving Jackie her props for trying to avoid this situation so many times. All right, so let's look at the other ladies in the show. I don't know what to say about Evelyn in the show, except for this time I can say that Evelyn is more subtle and holding her own, but she's still in everybody's business like she always do. She's still very wishy-washy like she always is. Ming and Ty, I don't know. Ming is absolutely wrong for a lot of things she's doing with Ty. I feel Ty's pain in that situation. I think that Ming does play the field and try to create Ty to be or look like something that she's not. Um, what's the girl name with the Kevin Gates girl with the dashiki? Brittany. Get her off of there. Get her off of there. Brittany on my nerves. Brittany and the other little young girl, they like the triple threats, the three. Brittany and that other little young girl, get them off of there. Because at the end of the day, Brittany being fake trying to act like she religious. You so Islamic religious that you calling everybody out their name. Like I agree with Evelyn, like that's fake. How you so religious, and we all slip up sometime. I'm not religious. See, there's a difference between being religion. People get stuck in religion. You're not even supposed to do that. But anyway, how you in this certain era and bringing yourself up to this certain era, but you calling people out their name. Like we all slip up and stuff, but she making it a habit. Like every time you turn around, she's judgmental, trying to go off on somebody, trying to call somebody out. Get her out of here. I don't believe it for 1 second. The other little girl that's on there, I don't even know why she's on there. I don't even know what's the girl. I don't even know why. Do y'all know the other little girl? It's Chantel and this other new girl that's on the show. Let me find her name. Let me find her name. Who is this new girl? Because I don't even know. Christy? Nope. Jackie Christie, Jennifer, Brandy. Brandy's in jail, right? Brittany is back for whatever reason. But The new girl that's on here, the one that seemed to just keep sticking her mouth, she got in everybody's business, got an answer for everything, but at the end of the day, I don't care for her either. What's her name? I don't see it. Y'all know her name? Y'all know who I'm talking about, but it's the new girl. And I don't even understand where she come from. Here she go. What's her name? This don't even tell me her name. I can't even show y'all her picture. I don't even know who she is or where she comes from. You got Shawnee, which is the leader of the pack. Evelyn, Jackie, and Jennifer are OGs. Brandy, which I feel like Brandy tries to play it safe. She tries to play it safe. You got Brittany. You got Ming. Ming and Ty are new. You got Chantel. Oh, Denise Garcia. Who the heck is this Denise Garcia? Who is she? Because it seems like all she do is bring up stuff and start trouble and let everybody else fight. Do y'all know who Denise Garcia is? I have no freaking idea. No idea whatsoever. But I just feel like the main topic right now is Jackie's fight. And at the end of the day, they didn't show it all, so we don't even know if it was a full fight. But y'all go back and watch that clip. Chantel pushed her before she swung. Not only that, there was a lot of tit for tat and back and forth and tit for tat and back and forth prior to that incident. If I was Jackie, I wouldn't have went. I wouldn't have went tit for tat. I don't. Like, when my girls make me mad, I will shut down. Because one thing I'm not going to do, I'm not going to argue back and forth with you. You're not going to get disrespectful with me. But I'm not going to do tit for tat. You know how they was like, she was like, bye. And Jackie was like, bye. And she was like, I love you. And she was like, yeah. I wouldn't have did that. When she got up to walk away, I would have let her walk away and say whatever she wanted to say. But I would not have went tit for tat with her. Like back and forth, I wouldn't have did that. I feel like that is one of the things that kind of kept it like egging on and egging on and that they did that for a couple of, I don't know how nobody didn't see this coming, because they went tit for tat with each other for a couple of seasons. Episodes, sorry, a couple of episodes. This is her daughter's first time on the show, and like I said, knowing her and her daughter's relationship, and I don't know if y'all know her and her daughter's relationship, I would not have let my daughter come on the show at all. And she grown. I'm not saying that Jackie could say no, don't come, but I would have said no. I don't want you to come. Think about it. All of these shows, the friends from before are not friends in the next episode. And the friends from that episode are not friends in the next episode. And the friends from that one are not friends in the next one. You know what I'm saying? Where am I wrong? Where am I wrong? Where am I wrong? But the fight that everybody's talking about, that they didn't even really show as a fight, it was warranted. Um, I believe in spirit of right sport a child, and Jackie should have been knocked on her butt when she cussed her out before she got up and walked away. When she cussed her out before she got up and walked. One thing, once you start cussing at me, we that mother daughter thing kind of, I kind of might forget you my child, or remember you my child and ask you who the heck you think you talking to. But I gotta commend Jackie. She got up and walked away every time. This girl chased her. Chased her when she tried to go to the elevator. She chased her when she tried to go to the stairs. She chased her, went up the elevator, came off the stairs, and started and met her where she was and started again. Come on, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all think. Because, baby, I don't know. But I have felt from the beginning of watching this that her daughter should not have been on this show. I really have. Brandy, I feel like, plays defense to play it safe. Evelyn, I feel like, is trying to be cool with everybody, but she's still messy Evelyn. Ty needs to give up on Ming. Ming is playing on Ty's emotional intelligence and emotions, that the love that she had for her. She need to give up on her. Don't know who that other girl is. And Brittany Kevin Gates' ex-wife or whatever she was needs to, and I think she already did, needs to take off the covering and just be who she gonna be. And that's it.